vehicle for it.
Yeah, that one was awesome.
We're going to win. Giant flag.
Miles per hour.
That was 661.
78. Cheap. 207 miles per hour. Like pacing the session for stock by a fair amount. 4 cars left means it's time to go to the race. Cheap.
On the left-hand side of the racetrack, for the Janik brothers, Melon, and Elite Motorsports, he's looking for a
ahead of the ice battle in the back. Guys like a ball.
Double